why your child still counts on fingers at the age of 7 and how you are going to fix it. Let's see. Is your 7-year-old still counting on fingers for simple sums like 4 plus 3, 8 plus 5, 9 plus 6? Many parents think this means their child is weak in math, but that's not always true. The real problem is that children are often taught how to count instead of how numbers work. In this video, I will show you why it happens and 3 simple activities you can start today. They know these kind of learning, right? So finger counting is a normal stage of learning. The concern is when a child depends on fingers for every calculation, even after plenty of practice. They haven't developed number sense. They try to memorize instead of understanding. They haven't practiced mental math strategies. When you give them 8 plus 5, so they know how to count them, right? So they are going to counting like after 8, 5 fingers, right? So after 8, 5 fingers means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So 8 plus 5 is 13 in their way, okay? So how many more does 8 need to become 10? So your child answers after 8, 9 and 10. So we need 2, okay? Now split 5 into 2 and 3. Why? Because 2 plus 3 equals 5. So 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. So practice number bonds every day for just 5 minutes. Like 6 plus 4 equals 10 or 4 plus 6 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 3 plus 7 also equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. When children know these combinations, automatically they become much quicker at mental math. Now show them a card for just 1 second. Ask, how many dots did you see? Don't count one by one. So train your mind. What is the number? This improves number sense, enhances focus and memory, builds instant recognition. Don't panic if your child still counts on fingers at age 7. Build number sense. Practice make 10. Learn number bonds. Use quick dot games. The goal is not to stop fingers overnight. The goal is to help your child think with numbers confidently. Learning should be feel enjoyable. Found this helpful? Then follow and subscribe to Kidoctive Homeschooling for practical tips. Thank you.